Hi, I'm Shreya Agarwal, a MBBS student from JIPMER. As you must know that COVID-19 is spreading rapidly nowadays and has claimed many lives. We must take a step against this and slow down the spread in our community. Let me share some information on how we can do so in this small video. COVID-19 is caused by a small virus called coronavirus. It is a disease affecting our respiratory system. The symptoms that may be seen here are fever or chills, cough, sore throat, shortness of breath, muscle or body aches, vomiting or diarrhea. Many people who develop this disease develop a mild form and are able to recover at home itself. However, the disease may also be quite serious, requiring the patient to be hospitalized or even put on a ventilator. This severe form of the disease occurs more often in children less than 10 years of age or old people, or even in people having some diseases like cancer, lung disease, heart disease, obesity, or diabetes. How to prevent the spread of COVID-19? To prevent the spread of this disease, let us first learn how it spreads. The disease spreads via small droplets coming from the nose or mouth of people with the virus. These droplets cannot be seen and are expelled out when they cough, breathe, or talk. They can either enter the nose or mouth of another person who is within 1 meter of the infected person. They might even fall on nearby objects, which then may be touched by another person, and then these droplets will enter their body if we touch our eyes, nose, or mouth without washing the dirty hands. Steps to prevent the transfer of droplets between people. Preventing release of droplets. This can be done by wearing a mask. If one wants to cough, one should do so into the nook of their elbow or use a disposable tissue, which should be followed by hand hygiene. Avoiding sources. To avoid touching people or surfaces which might be loaded with viruses, and if you have done so, avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth, or mask while you are wearing it. Getting rid of droplets. One should frequently wash one's hand with soap and water for 40 to 60 seconds or use an alcohol-based sanitizer for 10 to 20 seconds. The frequently touched surfaces should also be cleaned regularly with disinfectants like Dettol or bleach. If you're not feeling well, you should stay at home and contact your nearest healthcare center. Try 1075 for All India Helpline number, or you can even contact your own state helpline. To summarize again, wear a mask when going out such that it covers your nose, mouth and chin with no gaps. Wash hands frequently with soap and water, especially after touching frequently touched surfaces, though it is best to avoid touching them. Do not make contact with people, or if you have to do so, maintain proper social distancing. Stay home if you are not feeling well and contact your nearest COVID treatment center. Remember, anyone can get infected with the disease, even you and me, so always be ready and follow these steps to protect your loved ones and yourselves. Together we can break the chain. Thank you for your time. Please share this video with your friends and family. The information we have taken is from reliable sources like WHO and MOHFW. Please subscribe for more updates about COVID-19.